So, Kino, can you help me blow this? It is. It's no. I really need a pump, but I don't know. Maybe I sent to the Philippines, but we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and also pink. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's 20 balloons. Oh, that's nice. It's 20. Well, we're gonna transfer. I need to put light. I've been waiting for. So I think in this side, I think here, we're gonna do one. Hello, it's Lara birthday. My Lara. Kiwi. No, it's not good. It's not good, right? I think like that. It's not. I think like that. No. So I will go tomorrow. Maghiwi man eh. It's so I cannot decorate tonight. I need to find the pump. Maraj, you will need a lot of yeah. I need a lot of kuan and my God, I have pain here. For the people. Then I will do like that my hair. Because I am young. I am young, Kino. So I should do like that. Then I will do. And oh wait, huh? Tomorrow I will go to a shop to buy decoration. And then I also buy a ribbon to tie here like that. So I will be young. So I don't feel 45. Or I will wear a bunny costume, no. But I will wear pink. I will wear boots. Pink dress. And white boots. And pink decoration. Thank you very much.